Today I'm gonna show you the best screen recorder for your Android device. So let's not waste time and begin. So before beginning, I would like to say a thing. The link's in the description. You can just click the link and go directly to the app. It's a famous app. Most of you may know about it, but you can download it and you just go to the link in the description, download it, or you can just search it. You're gonna get that super fast. And do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss important updates. And not even forget to like and share this video. So let's not waste time and begin. So guys, you just open the Play Store and open up. Oh, sorry. Yeah. And go to the search bar and type capital D, capital Q. You may have understood what I said. Screen. Sorry. Not X. DU. Screen recorder. Yeah, that's there. Just search for screen recorder and DU is the gray. So this is the DU screen recorder. It has 4.8 ratings and 50 million downloads. It is great for recording gaming videos. It has so many reviews, easy to use, useful, best recorder, ad-free, live stream, good editor, and don't know what all good things about this app. I have already installed it, but it's yet to update, so I'm gonna update it. Oh no, yeah, storage problem. Okay, I'll update it later. So I have already installed it. You can install it from the link down below. Just go back and you install it. Go to DO recorder and go to settings. This is how you need to set up your settings. Video quality 1080p. Video quality, auto. Video resolution 1080p and FPS auto. Whatever. Video orientation auto. Record audio, you can set it as per your video. And the video location, you can choose SD card if has more attention. The video and image is turned into be deleted video install the recorder. Make sure you know that and will like to change storage location. No, I refuse. So recording mode standard and hide the record window so that no one knows that you're recording with which screen recorder. And shake phone to stop recording, enable and put a bit much of sensitivity. And go down, countdown should be 5 seconds, it'll give you a time. And pause recording for incoming calls, and you can enable this in the floating window. So go back, and if I just need to record something, I'll show you by recording. You can see I'm recording this video with the real recorder. It has great quality. I put 1080p and it's just great. So this was the best screen recorder in my choice. So if you like it, the link's in the description, and do not forget to subscribe, share and like this video. Aiming for 110 likes. Yeah, that's all. That's easy for you guys. So just smash that like button and subscribe. Aim for 50k likes. 50k subs. And share so that other people see my video and get the knowledge. Bye bye for today. I'll be there tomorrow with a new video. Bye bye.